My family and friends think I'm a great photographer, but I don't think so. Photographers have a very special eye. They see things from a perspective that a common person cannot. And then their high-end equipment, which helps them achieve their vision into an image. Neither do I possess the vision, the equipment, or the eye. The other day I was at a wedding. And what happens at weddings is, you meet the people closest to you, your family and friends. And you want to capture those memories, so you can revisit them and cherish every moment. Oh, this was so-and-so's wedding. Look, you were looking so nice. And so-and-so was so slim back then. And I was clicking pictures there. And what happens now that people want to see their pictures immediately after you have clicked them. The shots I took came out so beautiful that everyone started lining up for me. Click me too, me too.
Wait, please take our picture.
Smile. And I, who barely thought could be good at any kind of photography, became the star photographer of the evening. I don't know about perspective, but I definitely have the equipment now.